for higher GC News, Mema Obibia Aquaba, Ahadia, latest and hot news, and Enamidi, Bremo. I don't see so young subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say over subscribe. Yobayan say over click a subscribe button. Now, what barely a notification. We answer video for Frobia be upload when the first person I want sa Ebeka a video. Afenyo we are now one like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now fe share my offer so na when you be here now who and someone ekoso Ghana memo. Afenyo share ye reporter abeto ye so yenti ye sankomo ye ekoso sansem yenti.
Me come papa Kwesi Agyarko or de me kura politics man. Sa niama esi a etwam. Me ntina ho me nsi bioda. Ene ntokwa kura ye beko. Oh yes.
Officer we gentleman pal.
Sir.
Now him. We are gentleman pal. Oba kuntokwa.
Ene ebe dada.
What?
Ebe dada pa. Sometimes school na ma look this work krachi.
Sir,
school ebetimi adada osa obi e krachi. Enso nya sanete. E wo mre bibia wo ne mre. Na babia sese asem na akotwe akogina no. Say sangi su ye bine yen shishaya 2022 to be worse than this. Say sangi su ni ye bine any ye ni ye antwe wonwa omudi ebufu show kotena nchen no ansa ma amedom ye ya edina ye so no enti party officers me koto srene se yema ebufu show e bae no entwem nemo yenyina yansore waka se niema atantan dia ye hu ye a etwem no yenyina ye nim
mo hu atantan dia
oh atantan dia bebre party for me enyabotre mame party for e kan ya twi ye ni ya yesi aso asem say party for didn't matter na MPC kan na we kan munya yo monseson yesi aso na me enye eno ne hia me ene de enye di awie enya twen aso awie enya gu ye hu fi awie enya gu ye ni mu ase awie de hia me ne de ebeya yemfa ya hwe ase enkoye ye dabre. The remedies that we must put together. Look, say ye can say ye beka ni si ye nyina yen so ne
what time now
who here be 24/7 plenty and some no do so na ebi wo ho a ye the be chrenchen say look from Heyman committee from Safumafu committee and na ne ekosi in some no bebre ye can say ye be dwelling on those ye nya time and solve their one. But let me touch on a few of the issues.
Okay.
Understanding say party for munsom my this radiant say we are going to open a new chapter. We will force and open a new chapter. Me atwam ne de ye mane nsibio.
Only you?
Oh, Master. Do you know how many years I've put in this? Since 1978.
No, because the time maybe say, Boakye Agyarko me unye nipa wo ye gidigidi. Unye nipa
bisa wo me ni almost start wa Asante Bediatuo.
Tell the omranti be omranti and so share there.
Se kan ni ade ya twi ni nyina bu aboabuzongo.
Send the no wa branch.
Chiba na me mame abomi.
Send the no
abomi na me de abufuo san kozongo ho. Nipa me ni hunti ya bo me na makope no abu no bi. Atika.
Sa no emranti bi etwam.
Sa bon ya from bon unim so asa. Edru de
maybe sa dey we say Osha NPP party a ewo ne ba bia mo abedu siesie ya wo ubenya sa akuku akuku duro no ubenya sa ahode no ubenya sa zeal no ewo mu se party na atete
they agro ba ofi
okay
they agro ba ofi mentumri kankushia
sao
mentumri kankushia. This party will change and nobody will stand in our way say yes it's a party. This party will change. So no yentimi look me put there sabi mabobra kakra
brade wabubinya kakra
na emrante ne mabawa ye pia won agu party samu mesum party wo mo dachi ene ye de kotum prada ye mpene china into this party your kosuru bafom we will change this party. Na de also on plebiano the febe any time yempa no ntwe sa results yentimi nko repeat no the biarada look from 1951 I started here toaba to 2024 yen tradition this has been our worst results. Na me jinsa 1956 nye and so me 1956 results no na me share 2024 results in proportionate terms. This will be our worst since 1951. Enti me amoye hu musio ensososo enkase. Let us not belittle what has happened to us. Say ya belittle no emma yen sore waka enyina ntintin eninsi enwa mremu se ye ma we nsibiu enti yentimi na ada ye ho se de esi ye no ye bibi motie bi enesesa abanu free ye ballot box entisa enye from a bonny from a dindi ana ehuntuma bia ene ba eba ebe say niema nyina ebi wo ha ebe prapra kwem se ne ebe ya niema bia nkekawa bi ananka esi niema kwan no ebe free ya kwem ebufu show ene ba o minus so any ya party for womu sorry tiaye ya tina supem asamwa omu kan through the elections no ya tina supem na breyance a breyance ankasa and the say na wasi atina ho as a party ni adwendwene ye kari adwendwene niema bi hu yie say ena ewose ye hwe niema bi a ye ya nensem fata eti a ye yen ho ewose saa niema no ye niba so say ye mra ewose wa ye tietia won nanso ekeka nsem hunu kire won nyina no efei ena eduru mra ewose ye gitum si anye ni yie na echopa bi wo mu a ye diama wesu ye mra ewose ye bisa ye hu se so party a ye tibun enu ne ye kun se ye join ana ye party a ye ti ye no ejina ne fapem so ana ya dane akoye bibi fufuru bibi kaka moto bi fufuru bia pampam nkrofo mre results ayenye enu ena wo se ye boy koko ne ebu kompoko hwe achi se ne ebeya de achie bia no ye betre no enti ye hyase ne de me de e chow pakese Womu votes no. Omu adwinkyere enom de to mayen. O pepe bia omu woma party no enemo omu to abamayen. Enti ye wasi eti ase hunu ne saa. And we have to give them a reason to vote for us. We have to give them a reason to vote for us. Really and truly, we did not give them a good reason to go and vote for us. Otchere fie. Ma yemfa sobo mo mo. Yemfa sobo no mo yankasa ye ho. Ni enti ase se de da ye nimu yi de. Ye bema wo mo good reason to come back and vote for us. Enti a chopa kese ena medema ebufo ne bae. Nyankopon kra ne bufu na yen nipa yenu ye ho a etimi ma Nyankopon a owo tumi nyina ewura no ono so temi nu no ho e de che odi nsuo se asase Noah breso wa ma Nyankonton o se esign ne aventi no memfa nsuo menu me ho na memfa nsuo ensei ewiase ebio ono po a oyetumi nyina ewura obo ade nyina no onya nu hu esign se Noah ne omo a omo kae no omo kyire suban fufuro bi enti mesre yankasa e wo se yenya nu hu bi ya umpanyin se akokɔ baatan ne nan etia ba nkumba enti party fo a asɛmba ya in your justified anger mokotuti ye nyina no me de kotosrɛ efo afidie so se momfa nche na sɛ abufu hyew no emfiri ye nyina ye so na yemie new chapter na nhyehyɛ fufuro bi a ɛwɔ se ɛhyehyɛ nyina no bia nhyehyɛ me Kojo Boakye amete hei me kame papa Kwesi Agyarko a ɔde me kowura politics ma saa nneɛma esi a etwam me ntena ho me nsi bioda ɛne ntɔkwa kora yɛ bɛko nneɛma ne bebree wɔ hɔ a you can trace it back to our constitution. Constitution yedi ye adwuma sese. It doesn't serve the purpose any longer. It was a constitution way. And sisan bebree bem. How many pages? 65 pages. Now ye try say a constitutional amendment. Only number of pages here, 160.
Out of the 65?
No. Separate, yes. Constitution, no, 165 pages. Amendments are compiled, 160 pages. And yet to wait there. It is telling you that there are too many clauses in this constitution and fit a purpose. Ye now start a draw. Niema e was sesa na kakra e wom say the structures any ne functions ni bebree wo hɔ a enye dwuma bio ana niema bi a e wo say ye e wo ye party ni your constitution and constitution to wusha all the articles name of party there aims and objective 28. We have to compress it and rewrite. Membership, disciplinary, structures of NPP. Look, we have structures that are not working. So, no. I was saying, you know, to me, transe sa enye dwumani nyina no ose mesa ka ho nsebne campaign ye parliamentary and presidential candidates and Sani Astatia Boabua ye ho see a campaign. Yes, I say no. Na afi etwem. So no. But says ya to a baby easy. Oye management body no. Almost started planning for the next campaign 2028. I was see a march warmer plans no. Yenim so mbeye additional voter registration me boa. Almost timetable for the next 4 years. I was say yes so ye to abanu wie no ano. Ye march in shishaya isi ye ni nyina. Na yeso ye di tu ye ho fo. Ana yeso di ye di plans. So for example, ye to abawie ye. I was say by now ka party as a party. Ya tra ho share results no. Polling station, constituency, regional. Ya ye analysis ehunu omo to my ne omo to my and the reasons why. Yenim say 68% of omo to aba in Ghana na youth. Youth no dodo no efri echi e ba ne saying ye youth leadership mobilization e call saying sa analysis e o say nka by now egu akwan mu a ye wie. And so ya meet me a catch you say ensha se kura Peace FM ensha se is yenim say omo beye limited registration, right? Until I was saying yes so your plan and say right away polling station officer polling station group biya omo di 14 to 17 more run more identify omo because ye be next one now omo na eba beto abadin for the next 4 years me boy. We by now your polling station for some whole year juma dia they should by now be identifying those young people who will come on the register the next time and start talking to them because a true registration now fei ena wokope no unina dada make away nyina make akosi say in our constitution we share structures there is no campaign planning organization. I was a party yedishem say there is a permanent campaign planning department. Director Dano. Ye to abawie ye no ano. That directorate agi easy program for the next 4 years. Na party so this adwuma no just likewise. Young ko train emma ye leader a presidential candidate and son ye ko campaign team na ye campaign team wia afa na ye ko share campaign planning. I said no bedru san no worry. Let me give you an example.
Okay.
Selection and training of polling agents. Baby will have 4 days to election. And sana ye selecting agents ye training 4 days monitor polling agents 4 days. This training must have happened a year before near repeating in the campaign planning structure. It was say your permanent cycle of training agents. Every year, you party form, you training. That doesn't mean say election day no D-day no. Sa only chrono you training on one ekoye. But create a pool of people who are competent at election monitoring. Meko tu biso wo biakunye. Ena mi biso na pink sheet no kura mo hunu bi. That be pink sheet I did record the election. Nipa o training on krebi. Na nipa ye training wo mo so on hunu bi da. The first time obehu bi no or election day. Now we new fadokon. So something like that must find its way into the constitution. Look, here are elections. And we sorry, and Mwanye ni say isirimfo nto maye mwanye we asantefo nto maye ni nyina bosremuka backed by no data. This election has exposed all of us. NPP to say research data analytics must find themselves in our constitution. Structural changes ebeba nyese bosremuka. So no Ekwanya yefaso eyi party officers. Ekwanya yefaso yi candidates. Ni nyina was.
There are two schools of thought about how amubeyi mo flag bearer for mo next election. Ebia can say, okay, if it's a break on mo mananya mo asem hia say mobeyi flag bearer kane. Na mu wi amoyia de akofom ebi musisi debi de on sesi anu amoyi free police station de be wi flag bearer no eno na ye papa ofa ugina hen
ya na ebi no wi refi wo time o Jake obecha bilam te ye chairman or try say obesi ade ni trust say ye nyi flag bearer and san ye yia akofom to polling station. And somewhere the bar party, yani a chisan you. A bit of refi. I just say, young Koyimo, Namun Famutuni metu in free adieso. Look, it brought so much tension in this party. Refi. Why are we going to repeat something that almost collapsed us? There was a yen say, me imagine him, Yen Frassier. But with a lot of changes. So, no. A coming kwa Kameka say, look, polling station, all officers of the party, you proper card system. No? Nationwide, near Tuabano polling station, electoral area, constituency officers, regional officers, national officers, one day throughout the country, near Tuabanina Precope, Nefriho. Because you see, you are going to use the same electoral college of card bearing members. And they is Sankufuina. Now, Obi and to me, Uncle said, mid-year year, turning next week into Midimhun Konunu. Obidium, I make you sure so be a winning and now be a loose. Obi a Henny Obi a Henny is the babe. Near Tono Dakro Nefriho. Then another time, all candidates, parliamentary, presidential, Nasa electoral college na eden, atono one day, neno swefriho. But the medibeka hone say, I was saying you get fixed time. I do to yaba. To say the national elections December 7th. Obi enim say December 7th. Say oye tegari odobnada na December 7th tobnada wawasem. Ye beto saban. I was saying a fixed date for our elections. Nya feina ebinumu kwatene baby. Say akwo we say mafia no ye mo plan ne emfa we debi ye nyina ye ni say that say these elections are going. Nya feina obi kwatena baby ahye. Nya feina National Council NEC and steering committee ekoshe. I was say quite constitution no say on this specific day ye betwaba ye to polling station, electoral area, constituency, region, national. Finished. 15 months to the general election. Year 2 parliamentary, any presidential. On this, whatever day it falls on, year 2, nefrio. Party.
Okay. What can be about a choir mofasu eyimu leaders or say some between akomonimwa? Yane teaching the young who say, Bokamo leaders are more executives, polling station, constituency, more the bar region, na mabe national, and mabe a flag bearer, any idea. Se no a ewo sign amoye no, and I say, o can say SSS, what bilimun or tiasi mono, sign SSS sign.
You, first constitution, 1992 constitution, na otchere say, constituency bia nipa du ene power mu ekotoaba eji say parliamentary candidate and now presidential candidate. Now Osha say from polling station part, the constitution simply said say members say what polling station hono omne betoaba yi polling station for register way. Register, credible register be anyhow. Into the basis, how do you polling station for Nankasana and faulty? Nearby, sir, you know, Anna, a day bet eto constituency for Swaba, a faulty membership register. Now, the man here difficult, crane, Oba, especially presidential. Not 1992 first constitution, say nipa 10 from the constituency. Now 10 no, 4 of them are executives. And in Siena Akano, only non-executives. Now constitution na nchira kwankura ye 4 no, ene kwankura ye 6 no. Enti ni nyina akoda chairman abem. Enti chairman otewa no afa ne girlfriend. No afa ne wofa asibi. No afa we no afa 6 no. Huh? Na executives no so no wa woni no hwibom no a ope wasem no na ode waka ho na akoye 10 na yaw 10 no me 2008 me ko bi 10 no wo nim nipa 10 no do constituency where first time I be meet you no nipa 10 bi beba next time I be kono minus the chairman na different 10 na aba. So you never really knew until the last minute.
How?
Yet na edin tokwa by a saying say executives yet 10. Where you move for 6 na Kennedy, one more unko to be. 6 non-executives so ye nim kwa kura ye yi omo. Abano polling station phone to be, electoral area phone to be. It didn't talk and talk about by. Yea, as candidates are call round no. Near chairman for a nyas because on no near selection bitia so we a jakuni penti in frame and now we as Messi penti and fan count. Emma ye as aspirants no ye ni executives nyan tokwa. Emma ye aspirants ye ni yen hu enya ntokwa. Enti ama party no mo anyo. And a polling station for a Yakoto Ababa Nipa less than 5,000. Yakoto Ababa ya Obi ba Uhen Nimpumechia Pampure Siho. That's what they call heaven or they fraco heaven. Because when Niska Koto TV. Asa and your former Juman Munkwame 2009 and a T Haman committee said 2008 elections you lose your ya. Akufo Addo needed about 42,000 votes to win. He was short. Less than 0.5% or 0.25%. He was short. In Timonko Shishem at the Kudientia a man banasa. Yashishe mono Haman committee name Dr. Heyman Nankasa. Professor Aremeyaw, late Doris Seidu, no, Alois Mall, nominally. You call round no. The free form no was how we constituted the electoral college. Say the abano obianko to be. Yajitumu now so applying it was going to be difficult. Say from electoral college of about less than 5,000, Now suddenly uko biem to about 1 million people. The system architecture was not available. 5,000 Ukraino compiling the register. Na koyasem. Into the Egyptian money say, Baby Antokwano was say ya elected officers of the party, polling station, electoral area, constituency, region, national, and council of elders ne Kronba. Saadia Safu Ninano. Womumetua Banibi. That came to a little over 150,000, which we thought was manageable. And to Enoni Ejitumu, with the understanding, say, ya to 2012 year, ya bekwayenim, I expand ama every card bearing member of the party, and ya kwenya atubi. Yeti hey, yaw, minimum crofwa. Womusika ko party numpa millions of cities. Baby anyone unya kwenya to aba eka say me constituency executives kra year to no minsa dem anama no dem. Anaye yi me parliamentary candidate minsa dem manu dem. Anaye yi presidential candidate minsa dem manu dem. I know people who pay millions of cities as donations to this party. Omuni sa kwenya. Opepani akoma pa ben no benya akoso asom party ne edisa adwuma. Enti one of the things we have to work on immediately is a kwaya ebefaso all card bearing members, because they say no there eno ne asemo ejina fam pa yentumi anya 2028 fanyinam. Yentimi ma party ma wetua ni dues okura card metua bani bi from polling station to presidential 2028 fenyina. Enti party ma de metimi aka ne se yenya yenho abotre na abufu hyew no yema yintwem mia mesi me pempe mini nkrofo kakra be pempe so no ye besi fam akọ region by region, constituency by constituency. Any party for akodi yen ho komo. Sani e beya a chawpa ne bedru form. Sani e beya in shisha e pesi e de beba ombeti asye no magiatum. Ya say yentimi anyen shisha by December 2025 edina ye. Because you see, internal elections in here around June 2026. A horna ye enshisha fufro. Yari. Enti se yentimi sa niema osi some party munina. Yentumi anshishe by December 2025. Ama party ni enyina brain. Edina ye.
Okay, enti in say system na o sisi amudi constituency the national executive ne flag bearer
station ebeko national
ni nyina no
I say system
monsesa no na mo wo sisi ase mo koba se mo say okay mo atiase mo be ya mo bia otua dues bia etwa mo wo sa register no mo nipa no ho o mo tua dues a party nim se we mo ye party ma o mo na esese mo kwa mo to aba
yeah me dues payment apart from pepe ewa hin afam paper we eyira mean to improve baby I say material dues crofo to your dues, but the record keeping system is not there now. Yet to me a national card of 18 million people. Ye kroya yent me nya card for 2 million. Alateni also which one this one? Say ye to me see a book was sure what chichi. Say ye to me a Ghana card. 18 million people. Now yeah dear let's say 2 million. Let's say even say 4 million. Yen to me nye a credible card. Party ni biya ebenyebi. Yasha say ye jai. Yasha say ni ye jai. Me card da ho. So I was here to me. See a party ni ye, Nenkankro, Nessa Begina dia. Near me be why I was here. Meadow bibiase. Na meda party for swasi. Mekoswa sre party ma. Say the ochin who be a woman many a sinus you name a cotusre. No munyai mananka. What do I need to do to Kurumni idea so dear? That be a Kwaku Diaba Mienu. Ah, so Kwaku for those. Kwaku Nimwana. Ah.
Now, all Kwaku picture.
Debbie.
I see.
We're trying to picture ma.
Okay.
So,
and I go know a strange being.
So, what do we need coffee fair for what? A dear Pecoswa your time, I could swallow you before. Mesre party, and no sum ye ninkomo. Nam ma disre dia medi tuhi. Misremo enyado unsum mami. Send ye beya party no. Enkotiti ya breso. Nechina ebinu kwa asamando a yenye bia kase. Major NPP hono ne dejina ne naso.
Ofa messages on the by the obi baako bi by na no mentimi anka o say. Ocha opa na ode ma omo no. Omo gitum na omo tu ho anamo se de wo pe no a. Na omo so pa ocha wa wo so betie omo ana.
Pam chow se de.
Ah ande wan kan de ko but also omo so pa ocha se wo so ye bibi mo omo a obeye.
Ene se me ma kire de me pese wo omo ye. Ena me de ho pa chow ba. Enti obi se me pa chow ko bokro no a na unkire me na magiato.
Yo, waiting for winning and someone abeto yep no so Mikao say so when you subscribe to channel idea Bomodia say over subscribe now feel so or like video and give us a thumbs up now feel share my Ato Forson when you be here now and somewhere koso ewo Ghana me mohanum also bet me otchere wadwen afa eye some way nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu mobeti minka biom in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.